Here is my lesson on how to make the Parthenon. We're gonna make this one. First, get to create and click 3D design. And then you get a box. You get this dimensions 100 by 100. And lower this to about 5. And then get another square. Wait, it needs Tinkercad needs to let me change it. Now it's good. 90 by 90. So scale it down to 2. And then use align tool to align them. It already knows which ones I want to align because I usually align those. So get a little bit up, like about here, and then group them. So place these columns like the ones in the Parthenon. I visited the Parthenon, so I know how it looked like. There, it's 3. It's not the exact same as the one I showed you at the beginning because all Parthenons, all of my designs are not the same. You might ask about the renaming. I rename mine at the end. So keep getting them. Don't align it on this one because it will clump all your ones together. So don't align it. But stay as it is. So do the same thing with this cube. 90 by 95. So this is your roof for your Parthenon. Drive it here and put it up. There. And then get this green roof. So zoom in. It's a 90 by 90. So now you have to precisely align it yourself because align tool won't work because of these. The real Parthenon is a bit bigger, so let's change it. I always do this at the end because why erase it up? I change the dimensions at the end if it's necessary. That's my rule of Tinkercad. 30. Change them. Change all of them to 30, the final one. Get it? That's what's annoying about Tinkercad. So, see that it's slicing at 20. So, check all around. It's still slicing, so 91 by 91. Not perfect square. And then finally put the roof on. You have to zoom in to get it perfect glimpse of it. This is how much, because if you 3D print it, it's not visible. If you 3D print it, it's not going to be visible. Is it too overextended? Fix that. It's floating in the air. Because of that, I'm not getting accurate readings. I think you should get one more down. Now it's touching. That's this way and there. It is perfectly aligned. And now do your final group. Finally, this, and group it. Change it to a more Parthenon color, which is this gray or this gray. Get mixed, and there you have it, your Parthenon. Bye.